Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because today we are going to study addition and subtraction concept of algebra. Have a look on this question. We need to subtract the sum of this expression and this expression from minus 3. This question involves addition and subtraction, both concepts. First of all, we need to subtract sum of these two expressions. So it is expected that we should find out sum first of all. Sum means addition. Okay. First term is 8a minus 6a square plus 9. This expression needs to be added to the next one, minus 10a minus 8 plus 8a square. We need to add both of them. Since plus sign is there in between, so there will be no impact on any term of the next bracket. So let me open the bracket first of all. What I am going to write, 8a minus 6a square plus 9, then minus 10a minus 8 and plus 8a square. Now I would suggest that like terms should be written together near to each other so that there is no mistake in the calculation further. For example, what I am going to do, I am going to take term containing a square minus 6a square plus 8a square. I am writing them together. Then term containing a, it is 8a and 10a. And then constant terms, which is one is 9, second is minus 8. I have written them together. Now let us do the calculations. First two terms are like terms, both are containing a square. So its coefficients can be added or subtracted, both. So it is minus 6 and this is plus 8. Minus 6 and plus 8 means 2. So it becomes 2a square. 8 minus 10, it becomes minus 2. So this is minus 2a. Then 9 minus 8 plus 1. So this is what the sum we have got. Now read the complete question. They said sum should be subtracted from minus 3. Now we need to do the subtraction. Let me make the space over there. We need to subtract our result, what we have got till now, from minus 3. Fine. Let us start. I am making an heading, subtraction, that we are going to do subtraction now. And how to do subtraction? From minus 3. From minus 3 means minus 3 will come first. From minus 3 we need to subtract. This minus sign is for subtraction function here. What we need to subtract? The next, all the sum which we have got previously, which was 2a square minus 2a plus 1. So that is what the final calculation I need to do. This negative sign has importance here. I'm going to solve it. Please have a look very carefully. What we will do, I'll keep minus 3 then minus, but because of this minus sign within the bracket all the signs will change, because multiplication will with negative sign changes the signs. Like 2a square was positive, but when it is multiplied with this minus sign it becomes negative. So we get minus 2a square. This minus 2a, it becomes plus 2a, plus 1 becomes minus 1. Write the like terms now, minus 2a square plus 2a. Then this minus 3 and minus 1 are written together. Now it's the time to write the final answer. Please have a look. We are at the last step now. Minus 2a square plus 2a. Minus 3 and minus 1 makes it minus 4. This is the final answer of the question. I hope you are able to understand the question. Thank you so much for watching the video.